So for this problem, to evaluate the integral of this quadratic equation using the standard formulas, so first, by completing the square, so we need to have two equal factors from these first two terms, and to write the factors for x squared, this is x times x. So since this one is minus, so all negative. And for 8, so we need to find two numbers or two the same numbers that when we add, the sum is 8 and that number is 4 because 4 plus 4, that's 8. So we have now these two equal factors, and this is equal to the quantity of x minus 4 to the power 2. Then since 4 times 4, this is equal to 16. So this given becomes the integral of the square root of x squared minus 8x then plus this 16 then plus 25. Then also we need to put minus 16 because plus 16 minus 16, this is equal to 0. So the given still the same. Then to apply now the factoring, so we have the integral of the square root. So for this x squared minus 8x plus 16, so that's equal to the quantity of x minus 4 to the power 2. So x minus 4 to the power 2. Then for this 25 minus 16, so this is positive 9. Then we have the dx. So this time from this equation, so we have now the values for u squared and a squared. So the term with the variable, this is u squared, then plus for the constant, that's a squared. So therefore, a squared is equal to 9. And to solve for a, so just take the square root. So a is equal to 3. Then for u squared, this is equal to the quantity of x minus 4 to the power 2. And to solve for u, so just take the square root. So therefore u is equal to x minus 4. Then we need to find the derivative of u. So since the derivative of x, this one is dx, and the derivative of a constant, that's 0. So du is equal to dx. Then from this given, so substitute now the values for u and a. So this becomes the integral of the square root. So this quantity of x minus 4 to the power 2, this is equal to u squared, then plus this is equal to a squared, and for dx is equal to du. So we have now the standard formula, and this is the standard formula. Then this is now the integral. So just substitute now all the values. So therefore this becomes u over 2, and u is equal to x minus 4 over 2, then times the square root of u squared plus a squared. So u squared is the quantity of x minus 4 to the power 2 plus a squared is 9, then plus, so this a to the power 2, so this is 9 then over 2, then we have ln, then the absolute value of u. So u is x minus 4, then plus the square root of u squared plus a squared. So u squared is x minus 4 to the power 2, then plus a squared is 9, then plus c. Then for this given, so to evaluate the integral, so by completing the square, so we need to have two equal factors from the first two terms. So since the same factors, so therefore the same values, and for this 4x squared, this one is 2x times 2x. Then since this one is plus, so all positive, then for this 12, so since we have 2, therefore we can use 3 times 3 because 3 times 2 that's 6 and 3 times 2 that's 6. So 6 plus 6 that's 12. So since this is equal to 2x plus 3 quantity to the power 2, and since 3 times 3, so this is equal to 9. So therefore this given becomes the integral of dx then over 4x squared plus 12x then plus 9 plus 5, then also we need to put minus 9, then apply now the factoring. So we have dx then over, so for this 4x squared plus 12x plus 9, so that's equal to the quantity of 2x plus 3 to the power 2. Then for this positive 5 minus 9, so this is negative 4. So this time we have now the values for u squared minus a squared. So a squared is equal to 4. Then to solve for a, so take the square root. So a is equal to positive 2. Then for u squared, so that's equal to the quantity of 2x plus 3 to the power 2. Then we need to take the square root to solve for u. So that's 2x plus 3. Then to find the derivative of u, so the derivative of 2x, this is equal to 2dx. Then divide by 2 to solve for dx. So du over 2 is equal to dx. Then substitute now all the values. So this becomes the integral dx is du over 2 then over. This is equal to u squared minus a squared. Then we can put this denominator to outside. So this is 1 over 2 then the integral of du over u squared minus a squared. So this is now our standard formula. And from this standard formula, so this is now the integral. So this becomes, so we have this 1 half then times 1 over 2 times a is 2, then times ln the absolute value of u minus a. So u is 2x plus 3 minus a is 2, then over u plus a. So this one is 2x plus 3, then plus 2, then plus c. And to simplify, so multiply So this is 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 times 2, that's 8. So this is 1 over 8. Then ln the absolute value of 2x. This is positive 1, then over 2x plus 5, then plus c.